misery loves company. Well, not me though. Yeah, I'm good all alone. I'd rather not manage your ego. All you do is complain and gossip about other people. Man, I ain't judging, but you ain't gon' be doing that around me, no, no. That's not the vibe on this side, we stay elevated. We smile through the pain, overcome and thank God, and then we celebrate it. Our meditation, our medication, our peace of mind is something sacred. We empathize, but don't have the patience for negativity and hating. Yeah, it's all loving I'm saying. I'll send you my love when I'm praying, but right now I'm focused on me and our team and our goals and these dudes that we're paying. So do stop playing and don't be confused. Your issues ain't what really makes you miserable. You can miss me with that misery. Words of magic and I'm dodging all the wizardry. All the pettiness, I won't let it get to me. Ain't nobody walking through my mind with the dirty feet. You can miss me with that misery. It's all love, but I'm protective of my energy. All the pettiness, I won't let it get to me. Ain't nobody walking through my mind with the dirty feet.